Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Langmaid, back this week with another episode of Research That Matters TV. Snowstorms, wind that cuts right through your coat, and a lack of available sunlight. The joys of winter. For many of us, winter means more time indoors and a higher likelihood that we'll circulate germs that could cause us to become sick. When you become ill, food is the last thing on your mind. Everything seems unappetizing when your nose is clogged and you can't taste a thing. But by making healthy food choices, you can become stronger and speed up your recovery. Also, by maintaining a healthy diet, you can strengthen your immune system and perhaps even get sick less often. You've heard it before, but it's true. Food is fuel for your body, so give your digestive system a break and be sure to eat easily digestible, nutrition-dense foods. It'll help your immune system stay strong. And here are a few ideas to help you get started. Bone broth contains minerals that can boost your immune system. Probiotics found in yogurt can improve your sleep, digestion, and immunity. Finally, lean meats, especially those with omega-3 fatty acids, can reduce inflammation. A little planning can go a long way. Most of the time, we make poor choices when we are in a rush or unprepared. And this can often result in stopping by a restaurant or taking out food on the run. Well, create a simple calendar highlighting your meals for the week. Healthy, home-cooked meals will not only strengthen your immune system, but it can also save you a couple bucks.